Hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be all about the Saturn Hair Vitalizer Serum. So I'm going to be reviewing this product for you guys today. I have been using this product since the past 10 months now, and for the past 6 months right now I have been using it continuously to see a difference in my hair. And because it's a hair product, it's going to take a lot of time to actually show the results, which is why I'm here with an updated review about this Saturn hair serum. I had already uploaded a review which was very briefly done before this. I'm gonna tag it along over here for you guys, which you guys can check out. But in this review, this is going to be a very chill and a very elaborative review about this product, because you guys will be seeing the before and after of my hair shots and how I have been using this product. I'm going to tell you all about it, so do not skip on this video, because this is going to benefit a lot of you girls and a lot of guys who are struggling from hair fall issues or have any pertaining to hair diseases such as alopecia areata and a lot of other things. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it, how I have used it, my results, and what all ingredients are in this product. And I'm not going to mention those ingredients scientifically that you guys can see in my previous video, but because I have had this product for the longest time, packaging of their products now I have that, so I'm going to show you guys all of it, if this is worth your money or not, and a lot of other things. So first off, let's get down with what this product really is. So guys, this is the hair vitalizer serum from the brand Saturn, and this product and all the essential oils that are needed for our hair, which needs to be tamed in externally, use this serum and you can cater to that external factor of keeping your hair tamed and giving your hair all the oils that is actually needed for us to maintain it from the outside moisture. And how my hair has actually been behaving throughout this monsoon season is a little bit haywire, which is why I have been using this vitalizer at least twice a week. I believe everyone has flies in their hair. Flies are basically those short hair which tends to come out. I have right now just stuck all of it in, so the flies also get tamed by this because it's a serum and it has a very nice composition. Also, it seals in all the moisture that your hair actually needs externally, which acts as a very nice moisturizer for my hair also, that I have personally noticed. Talk about the key ingredients in this product, which is Rendensil 3%, it has hibiscus extracts, it has procapil 3%, and biotin. So now I'm just gonna tell you guys about all of these products and what these products basically do for your hair. So I'm not gonna put out those big scientific words which are not understandable by a lot of other people and by me also. So I'm just gonna tell you guys very briefly and in short as to what the present in this hair serum. And also everything is mentioned on the bottle, which is one of the best things. You guys can see that every ingredient that is there in this serum has mentioned. So basically Rendensil is which is going to help you a lot, that I have personally seen in my hair quality. My hair quality has improved a lot, and also I have seen that the hair growth is actually, it has become faster than it was earlier, because earlier my hair growth was very slow. I believe in 6-7 months I used to just notice a very short 1 inch or something, that was difference I used to notice. But now I can see that my hair growth has become a lot faster, and like people are able to notice that on me, because my friends and my peers and my parents have been telling me that my hair growth has rapidly just got stronger and faster now. Also because our scalp tends to secrete a sort of sebum basically, which is like an oil that tends to make our hair oily so quickly, and especially in monsoon season. Like मैं ये notice कर रही हूँ that my hair tends to become oily just in 1 day of wash. So this sebum also, this get controlled by the Rendensil that is there in this to increase the blood supply to our scalps, which is very important for our roots and for our hair growth and for our hair quality to be maintained and for our hair texture. Now talking about the second component, which is the hibiscus extract. a very rich component in vitamin C basically, and vitamin C is very good for our skin, it's very good for our nails, it's very good for our hair. So similarly, this is a very nice component. I have seen that because of hibiscus, this tend to make my hair very manageable. I have seen a drastic difference, because earlier if I did not used to comb my hair thoroughly at least thrice or 4 times in the day, it was very hard to manage because मेरे बाल में बहुत ज़्यादा tangles हो जाते थे, because my hair is still my waist length from the back, if you guys know, and it was very difficult to manage it. But because of using this hair serum, I have seen that it's very easy. I hardly comb once or twice in a day, but my hair is very manageable now. So this serum that I have been using so much and so regularly now, I have seen that my hair fall has become very less, because जब भी I take bath, I notice the amount of hair fall that I'm having, but इसके बाद I have noticed a drastic difference really guys. And because of Pro-Capil, this component which is 3% in this hair serum, hair fall has been controlled more because of this component. Scientifically, you guys can read about it on Google. I'm not going to bore you over here, so I'm just telling you guys all the generic stuff that I have seen. And because of biotin also, I feel कि जो मेरा hair growth का cycle है, that has become more faster, and I can see that my hair has actually grown at least 2 to 3 inches since my last haircut that I got somewhere around 2-3 months back. And haircut के बाद like this sort of fast hair growth, I think it's because of biotin also, because biotin I am taking externally also as a tablet, but because it's present in this also, this has just made it twice the benefit that my hair and body is getting. And biotin is very good because it makes your nails also strong, it makes your hair also very strong, and it keeps your skin also very healthy. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you guys how I use this product, and you guys can see the before and after of me using this product and how my hair roots look. They look very like scanty और बहुत कम बाल दिख रहे हैं, but drastically I have seen that the small patches that everyone has in their hair, which is not really that visible by a naked eye, you guys can see that has become so much better. I can see like there is a lot of volume in my hair now, and even after like 1-2 दिन passes by कि I have washed my hair and it's just the second or third day, my hair becomes oily. Of course it's going to get oily because of this rainy season and this whole transition in the weather, but I can see that it's very easy to manage it now. To see the results of using any skincare product, any hair care product, you need to give it a lot of time. You need to give it at least 2 to 3 months to see the difference visibly. I have been using this product for 10 months and I can vouch for it that after 2.5-3 months I could see that this has started working for me, because your body also tends to just adapt to the product that you're using. Because this hair care product you need to give it time and you need to use it very regularly. It's not that कि एक महीने में एक बार use कर लिया and wow, I can see that my hair is growing and my hair is stronger and my hair is better, the texture has improved. ऐसा नहीं होता. That is with any other product that you use, because these products need a lot of time to actually start working. Just like any medicine that you take, it takes time to actually dissolve in your body and to work. Also guys, this is how I use it. So every like twice a week I apply this hair serum very generously on my scalp. It's very easy to use. This is such an easy product to use. You guys can see that it has a cap as well, and you just have to spray it on your scalp directly. You don't have to pour it in your hands and do all the mess, but you just have to pour it directly on your scalp and just rub it in, massage it, give your roots a very nice massage and just start to relax yourself. And after doing that, just leave it overnight. Do not wash it straight away, and then the next day when you have planned your hair wash, then just wash it and you can see a difference very gradually, but it is going to be there. So the MRP is not way expensive like other serums. This is for 799 rupees on a discount right now, and also you guys can use my coupon code which can avail you guys a flat 20% off on all the products whatever you want to buy from Saturn itself. My coupon code is mentioned right here. It's Shubheksha, it's my name, and you just have to mention that and it will straight away get applied to your card. So go and get yours right now and let me know if you guys do buy it, and any other queries that you have. I would be really happy to adhere to all of them. So guys, with that we come to an end to this review, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe guys. Bye guys.